Welcome! Today, we'll explore what it's like to become a US citizen while living in Canada, focusing on the advantages and complexities involved, especially the unique aspect of US worldwide taxation. We'll delve into the core question. Is US citizenship worth the taxation complexities, especially if you plan to return to Canada? In this video, we'll start by understanding the pros and cons of US citizenship. Next, we'll delve into worldwide taxation, exploring how it affects U.S. citizens living abroad. We'll review the real-world impacts and considerations you should be aware of. Finally, we'll provide additional advice to help you make an informed decision. Let's start with the pros of becoming a U.S. citizen. Voting rights allow you to have a say in elections, which is a fundamental right. U.S. citizenship also makes crossing the border simpler, with quicker processing. Importantly, you're protected from deportation, providing a sense of security while living in or traveling to the U.S. Now on to the cons, particularly the major concern: worldwide taxation. The U.S. has a unique system taxing citizens on their global income, regardless of residency. This means you might face taxation complexities if you plan to return to Canada, and must be considered carefully. The U.S. taxation system taxes citizens on their worldwide income, which can be daunting but manageable with tax treaties and credits. A tax treaty between the U.S. and Canada helps avoid double taxation. The foreign tax credit allows U.S. citizens to reduce their U.S. taxes based on what they've already paid in Canada. Additionally, the foreign earned income exclusion permits citizens to exclude a certain amount of their income from U.S. taxes. The pros and cons of this taxation need thorough consideration before deciding to pursue U.S. citizenship. Let's take a moment for a quick quiz. What helps prevent double taxation for U.S. citizens living in Canada? Is it A, U.S.-Canada Tax Treaty, B, Foreign Tax Credit, C, FEIE, or D, all of the above? You may pause the video now to ponder over the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. If you guessed all of the above, you're right. All three mechanisms, including the U.S.-Canada Tax Treaty, Foreign Tax Credit, and FEIE, help to minimize or prevent double taxation, making it easier for U.S. citizens living abroad. U.S. citizens living abroad may still have to file a tax return, even if no tax is owed, which means accounting costs. The real-world impact largely depends on income levels. Individuals with modest incomes might not owe any U.S. taxes due to the FEIE. Tax planning, particularly estate planning, becomes crucial for U.S. citizens. If you are married to a U.S. citizen, those tax implications become relevant and need careful management. Consult with a tax advisor to understand your unique financial situation while still living in Canada. Knowing income thresholds and applying foreign income exclusion can help minimize tax liabilities. Familiarizing yourself with the U.S.-Canada Tax Treaty is crucial. Think about estate planning, which becomes more pertinent with U.S. citizenship. Finally, comprehensively evaluate the benefits of U.S. citizenship against the complexities of taxation before making this life-changing decision. In summary, U.S. citizenship presents benefits like voting rights and easier border crossing. However, the unique taxation system requires careful consideration. Tax treaties and credits help mitigate tax burdens, and impacts vary based on your income level. Consult professionals to guide your decision-making process to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and life plans. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this information helps you navigate the decision of becoming a U.S. citizen while living in Canada. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe. We'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.